Today we are rebuilding this 14.4 volt snap-on drill battery. Got the cells out of the case right here. This one's a bit of a pain to rebuild because of the way the tabs are situated down there, but the rest of this should be pretty straightforward. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are rebuilding a snap-on battery. It may seem like I really like working on snap-on batteries, but the truth is that a lot of times if somebody's only paid 40-50 bucks for their battery, if they paid anything, usually they're just paying for the tool. Most of the time they don't want to spend as much as it costs to do a rebuild. Rebuilds, I typically tell customers, are worth it. If the battery isn't made anymore, you can't find a replacement anywhere that fits. If you need the tool or really like the tool and you can't find a replacement battery, that's the time to do a rebuild. If you're in a specific situation where you would want to have, or you may need to have, more runtime and can't afford to stop and charge up your batteries as often, but you need to just keep on going, maybe that's the time to do it, because we can put higher runtime cells in there. But typically people pay a pretty penny for snap-on tools, and so when they hear a rebuild price, to them the rebuild price is better than buying a new tool. So it makes sense in their situation. So that's why I tend to do a fair amount of snap-ons. I will have an upcoming video of a battery that a customer brought in. To me, it's one of the most basic batteries around, common to see, and we'll be doing a rebuild on that to make it have more than double the runtime when it was new. So that'll be upcoming here. Guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this content. I try to keep it interesting around here. You can see I'm working with some cool machinery here, welding on some tabs. At this point in the rebuild, I actually ran into something new here. Tabs that go up to the connectors here were welded from the batteries, and they wrapped over the top of the tabs, that you'll see. I'll show you here in just a second, right after we fit this and make sure it's going to work. Alright, so we're going to put this here. See what it is. Positive, negative. Positive, positive, negative, negative. So that's how that's going to go. Now we got to figure out this little guy. This is my first time actually doing this, so this has a significant downward pressure. I mean, it's all compressed air powered. I'm hoping that it doesn't push too hard on that. I'm going to snap that. I'd like to have something to support it with. Let's see what I can come up with real quick. What I like to use is an old battery. I put tape over the end. It's going to be too tall though. Unless I put it like that and just raise this up. I could do that. No, I'm not tapping on here. This is just supporting me. Tapped on there very nicely. Do the opposite side before we try to do the inside. Again, turned out very nicely there. I'm just going to do the inside so that doesn't pull up when the drill is sliding on and off. Gotta do without shorting out the shorting out the battery. There it is. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.